Welcome to the Mason Libraries tutorial, Zotero Part 4, Exporting Citations. In this tutorial, you will learn how to export citations and bibliographic entries from your Zotero library. Zotero has different options for exporting citations and bibliographies. In your Zotero library, you can right-click an entry from the body of the Zotero client and select Create Bibliography from Item from the pop-up menu that appears. To select multiple individual records, use keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, use Control and click on each item. On Mac, use Command and click on each item. To select a group of consecutive records simultaneously, select the first record in the range, and then use Shift and click on the last record in the range to select all of them. After selecting all relevant records, right-click and select Create Bibliography from Item from the pop-up menu. After choosing Create Bibliography from Item, Zotero may have a pop-up box to select a citation style, such as APA or MLA. Navigate to the citation style you want to use for your project and select it. Zotero then provides a pop-up box with a prompt called Output Mode. The options for Output Mode are Citation and Bibliography. Selecting the radio button for Citation generates an in-text citation in the selected bibliographic style. Selecting the radio button for Bibliography generates a bibliographic record for your references list or works cited page. After the Output Mode prompt, Zotero has a prompt for Output Method, with a list of options which you can choose from by selecting a radio button from the list. You can choose to save the citation or bibliographic reference as an RTF, which is a text file. You can save the file as HTML, which can be viewed in a web browser. You can copy the citation or bibliographic reference to your clipboard and paste it to your desired destination. Or you can choose to print it. Lastly, you can drag and drop an item directly into a text editor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to import that item's bibliography. In the next video, you will learn more ways to add a citation or bibliography from Zotero to a Word document with the Word add-in from Zotero. In this tutorial, you learned how to export citations from your Zotero library. You can also check out our Zotero workshop offerings at library.gmu.edu/workshops. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please refer to our other tutorials or contact a librarian by following the links in the tutorial's description.